To add and provision a device, start by clicking on the Users tab to the left of the Smart PBX app. Click on the specific user's device's secondary tab, which will bring up a display of options. Next, select New Device and a drop-down menu of device types will appear. If you are utilizing a business device, select SIP phone. Next, select the logo of the manufacturer of the device. Once the manufacturer has been chosen, available models will be displayed along with a picture of the device to provide easy identification. Clicking the image of the device will prompt you to enter the MAC address and create a name for your device. The MAC address is located on the back of your SIP device. If you do not see your manufacturer or your model, you will need to manually provision your device. Once done, click Create Device. Then click Save Changes. Next, plug in your power cord and jack and turn on the device. You will need to restore your phone back to factory settings. Each device is different, so please check your model's manual. Included in the community are the manufacturers we currently support and the step-by-step instructions to get your device auto-provisioned. In this instance, we will auto-provision a Yealink device. Once your SIP device is reset, you will need to enter the IP address into your web browser. If the IP address reads 0000, the phone is not connected to the internet. Open a new tab and enter the IP address. You will be redirected to the manufacturer's website. Enter the username and password. The default username and password for a Yealink device is admin and admin. However, each manufacturer is different. Most of the information has already been pre-populated. Click on the Settings tab at the top of the page. Then, click on the Auto Provision tab on the left. Enter in the server URL, which has been assigned to you by 2600 Hz. Click Confirm, then click Auto Provision Now. This may take up to a few minutes, but if done correctly, you'll notice your SIP device has rebooted. You are now set.